What's going on, guys? It's your boy Scooter from Scooter Airsoft. So, welcome back to the channel. And I'm sorry I hadn't put another video up here lately, but today's video is a special one for me. So you seen that I'd built a PC for myself a little over a year ago, I think is what it was. Sorry, my allergies, but so now I am building one for my wife now, so let's show you what's going in it. So to start off with the case, it is one of the Thermaltake cases in the hydrangea color, and it's a real pretty case, and I absolutely like it. That's something that she picked out when we were talking about this. So we'll go on to the motherboard. So the motherboard, it's the same one that I have in mind, which is it's the RSB 550. And it's the AX, so it's a little bit better. It's the more upgraded one from the one I have. So then we'll just go ahead and go to the mirror since it's right there. So I'm putting a 1 terabyte Crucial P3 Plus in it, compared to the one I think I had. I don't remember which one I put in mine. I think it was something, I can't remember. So for the CPU, it's not the same one I have, but it is a Ryzen 7. It is the 5700 series. It's the 5700. So aside from mine is the 5700G. So we'll move on, which the graphics card, it's not a 3060, it's the original one that I had. So I think it's the 6500 XT that I originally started with. So that's the one I put in, and that's the one I'm using since I already had one laying around. So for the cooler, hers is not getting an AIO, so it's getting the Thermaltake, the UX200 in white, hence the white on the inside, so it'll kind of contrast with it. So then the power supply, again, I'm going with the Thermaltake power supply in white, just to keep everything clean and subtle looking. So this one is a 850 watt, and it is 80 plus gold stats, and which with mine, it was a Corsair 850 watt, but mine's a semi-modular, and it was 80 plus bronze. I don't know why I did that, but that's what's going in her. So yeah, it's a pretty special thing. It means it's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time for her. So, because now, but I know as far as the monitors go, she's getting my old monitors, and then I'm upgrading mine to a 32-inch curved, which I have not yet to go get yet. And I need to. I'm gonna try to do that tomorrow. So when her disc gets here, I can go ahead and transition my old ones over to hers when it gets here. But again, that's what's going on right now with PC stuff. I'm starting on her computer. I'm starting on hers today, putting it together as soon as she gets home with some thermal base, because I kind of have to have that, you know. But yeah, here shortly I'll have another video for you guys. I promise you it is airsoft related this time. The next one's going to be airsoft related. So, but as far as airsoft goes, I'm still playing. I just hadn't been able to for a while because of work. You got to have a job to support your hobbies and pay your bills. But the next video I post, it's going to be airsoft related, so when that comes out. You'll see when it comes out when I post it. So it's not. I'm gonna tell you, it's not gonna be event related. It's gonna be. It'll be a mystery box. It's the only thing I'm gonna give away on that. So, but yeah, I am Skitterific, and as always, I will see you out there. Peace.